Thank you very much to all our speakers. I think it's been extremely interesting and really look forward to continue exchanging knowledge throughout the implementation of the initiative. The discussion has shown us that really solutions are already existing, they are under implementation, and there's meaningful progress. We need to scale, right? And I guess one of the elements that are crucial for scaling is policy. So building on your last reflections about systemic changes, it's my great pleasure to invite a high-level perspective from a tourism policymaker. In this case, I'm honored to welcome Ms. Nancy Araceli Laca Ramos. She's the Vice Minister of Tourism of Peru. And today is a very important day in Peru. Vice Minister, thank you so much for joining. Can you hear me?
Good morning.
Good morning. We hear you loud and clear. The image is a bit dark, but I assume it's really early in Peru. Thank you so much for connecting.
Thanks. Distinguished authorities, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor to participate in this significant global forum organized by UN Tourism, which calls us to take action against one of the foremost challenges of our time, food waste. In a sector as dynamic and visible as tourism, it's essential to advance toward more responsible and sustainable practices and to reflect on their ethical, economic, and environmental impact. It has been deeply enriching to hear the initiative that preceded me. As we have seen in the previous discussion, theory must now give way to immediate execution. Therefore, it's a great satisfaction that I informed you that today Peru officially approves the circular economy roadmap for the tourism sector to 2030. We have decided to act and reaffirm our commitment to sustainability through a pioneering effort at both the national and regional levels, making a milestone in our public policy. This is not just another document. It is our strategic compass to transform the sector. We seek a tourism model that stops merely extracting value and begins to regenerate it. A tourism that does not measure success solely by arrivals, by the really positive impact on our communities. A tourism where competitiveness is, by definition, sustainable. Our roadmap traces the path, committing us to closing urgent cycles, especially regards food. In Peru, we understand that every kilogram of food waste is a lot of opportunity for social development and an unnecessary environmental cost. This progress is not an isolated effort, but the result of a process we have been driving in a progressive and coordinated manner. Under the framework of APEC 2024, we developed a strategic diagnosis study that allowed us to precisely map where and why value is lost on our tourism food chain. This analysis is our foundation to begin transforming failures into efficiencies, to buy smarter, to portion with precision, and to systematically valorize organic waste. What we previously saw as waste, we now understand as resources. However, transformation does not happen alone. It requires capacity, incentives, and leaderships. For this reason, through Senfotur, our official training institution, the competencies of hundreds of stakeholders in waste management and the application of circular economy in gastronomy are being strengthened. Because the transition only becomes real when it reaches the kitchens, the hotels, and the destinations, ensuring that sustainability becomes part of the DNA of our hospitality. Tourism has the unique capacity to influence entire value change. By transforming tourism, we drive the transition toward a greener and more circular economy. From Peru, we invite you to join these efforts, to governments to turn these strategies into public policies with clear targets, to the private sector to lead with innovation and understand that research efficiency represents profitability, to the international community to collaborate and scale the solution with urgency. We reaffirm our commitment to accelerating the transition toward a circular tourism model, one that is efficient, inclusive, and respectful of our planet. Peru has already started today, and we want to walk toward a future together with all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Vice Minister. Muchísimas gracias. We would like to first congratulate you for the effort. Today, Peru is releasing the National Roadmap for Circular Economy in Tourism, a pioneering effort of integrating circularity in a national tourism policy document. So really bravo. I think it's very inspiring, and we definitely look forward to working with you, encouraging other policymakers, sharing your experience, and hopefully that will make it easier for many others to develop the enabling frameworks that are necessary for the private sector to really accelerate in the transformation. So really much appreciated. I wish you a fantastic event. You are launching the roadmap today, so we are really happy that you could connect and look forward to continue working together as you are a member of the interinstitutional working group on climate action in tourism that we have within our Executive Council. Muchas gracias, viceministra.
Muchas gracias, Virginia. Estamos muy orgullosos. Gracias.
Gracias.
So, Virginia, I guess it's time for us to conclude.
I guess I'm feeling sad, but I guess we have no other way around it. We already exceeded a bit the time planned. So one message from my end, I mean, as we conclude, I think reducing food waste in tourism is both achievable and necessary. So it requires collective action that we wish to create through Recipe of Change.
Thank you so much. Thank you all. Thank you, colleagues. Thank you, all of you, for your enthusiasm for joining hands with us. And now I really hope it will be the beginning of a very fruitful collaboration altogether. And now I will just want to conclude by asking everybody to join hands with us, join the Recipe of Change, to measure food waste, to implement solutions, and to contribute to global efforts to halve food waste by 2030. We really, really look forward to working with you. Thank you again very much. And you can join the initiative by following this QR code or the links in the chat. Or if you do not have time to click on the links of the web chat, please go to One Planet Network website and you will see a lot of information about Recipe of Change. Over. Thank you all very much.
Thank you, everybody. Looking forward to working together.